Hi, my name's Rachel. This tutorial has been designed to help students to work with Microsoft Excel. This tutorial covers inserting a header and a footer, adding comments to cells, showing formulas on spreadsheets, and finding and editing data, including wildcards. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is insert a header and a footer. So once you've got your spreadsheet open, if you go to Insert at the top of the page, and then go along until you see the header and footer icon. If you click on there, it will automatically take you into the header. So if we type functional skills into the header and then click anywhere else to take us out of the header, scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the page, click into the footer, and in there we'll type our name, okay, and then click anywhere to exit the footer. Then if we go to the View button at the top of the ribbon and choose Normal Layout, that will take us back to our normal layout. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add a comment to the spreadsheet. It can be very useful to add comments to your spreadsheets when you're working in businesses and you've got lots of things to remember. In this example, we're just going to use something basic. For example, we're going to say that the price of orange juice is going to increase by £1. So, if we click on the cell that contains the price for orange juice, then we right click and go to Insert Comments, and then we can type in there, will increase by £1 on, I don't know, February 10th. Okay, then click anywhere else on the page to close the comment. You'll now see that you've got a red corner on that cell. Whenever you hover over it, it will show you your comment, and if you were to print the worksheet, it wouldn't show that red corner when you printed it. Okay, to make changes to the comment, we select the cell again, right click, and we can either choose to edit the comment if we want to change what we've written, or to delete the comment if we no longer require it to be there. Okay? Right, so the next thing we're going to do is learn how to show formulas in our spreadsheet. This can be useful when you've got a large spreadsheet with lots of different formulas on it and you need to see what's happening. So, for example, in this spreadsheet we've got formulas counting the total costs of each shopping bill, and then costs at the bottom as well. So if we go to the Formulas tab at the top and click on Show Formulas, this then shows you the formula that's actually being used to give us those results. Okay, and to switch back we just click Show Formulas again to switch it off. Okay. Okay, the final thing we're going to learn how to do is find and edit data in the worksheet. So to do this, we make sure that we're on the Home tab, and then we go to Find and Select. If we click on there, and we click on Find, okay, so we may want to find the word cornflakes. So if we type it into there and click Find All, you can see it's actually gone to that cell, and also here it's given you the cell reference of F3. So F3 is the cell that says cornflakes. Okay, what we want to do now is find cornflakes and replace it with Pop-Tarts. Okay, so if we click on Replace All, it says Excel has made one replacement, and as you can see, where it did say cornflakes, it now says Pop-Tarts. Okay. So now you know how to find data in a spreadsheet and edit the data. You also need to know how to use a wildcard. Wildcards are either stars, which you can find on the keyboard, or question marks, which you can find on the keyboard. A star can be many characters, and a question mark is a single character. Okay, so for example, I might want to find the word egg or eggs. So I go to find and replace, click on find, okay. In here I'll type egg. Now I don't know if it's going to be egg or eggs, and my spreadsheet could be so big that I couldn't possibly go through and check for all the instances of egg and eggs, okay. So if I put egg question mark, that will find me any instances of the word egg or any instances of the word egg with one more character after it, because question mark stands for a single character. So if I click on find all, and there we go, it's found eggs because the question mark is in place of the single character. Okay. Now I might want to find something where I know the first part of the word but I don't know what the word ends in, or I know the last part of the word but I don't know the first part of the word. So I might want to find anything that ends in roll. So if I put star and then roll, find all, it takes me to kitchen roll because star can stand for any number of characters. Okay, and that's the end of the tutorial on using spreadsheets for session 2.